Hey guys, welcome back to Survivopedia. My name is Jason Salyer, and we are still working on the pole barn. I've got what the camera's sitting on is going to be ridge beams and rafters. So we're really close. Before I get up on the roof and start standing up on the beams up there, and it's all really wobbly because this is happening. See that? Got a lot of play in it. Because I haven't braced it up, I'm gonna go ahead and add these. Just added some 45 braces out of old scrap 2x4s. And this corner is braced up. It's already a little bit sturdier just with this one side braced up. But once I get all four, it'll be really, really solid. Much better. These are my two ridge beams right here that are going to be going up there. And they are going to have to join together because I couldn't find a 20-footer. I have two 10-footers, one 12 I think, and one 10-footer. So what I've got to do is create basically a lap joint here. So I'm going to carve out half of this one, and I'm going to carve out half of this one. I'm just going to adjust my saw to the depth of that cut, which is right at just under an inch. Close enough. We're doing it. Ridge beam is up. So now what I need to do is figure out what angle to cut my rafters so they meet up to this ridge beam here, this thing, nice and clean and flush. Now I'm sure that there is a better way to do this, but anyone that has ever watched any of my videos knows that I'm not very smart and I make lots of mistakes and I don't always do things the easy way. So what I'm gonna do is just hold my straight edge here, my level, up against the ridge beam and up against my rafter. And that is gonna give me my approximate angle that I'm gonna cut. This will be my cut, and I'm hoping that it's gonna work out just fine. Sometimes you gotta use a little Kentucky windage. All right, so my first cut is pretty doggone close. So with just a little bit more trial and error, a few trims here and there, I should have it spot on. Just a little shave off of there, and I think we might have it. I come from the measure once, cut 3 to 4 times school of carpentry. And there we have it. That's a good fit. That's a solid fit. I'll take it. Pretty doggone close. Perfect. So now that I have my template done, I just need to orient the crown up like it is, lay my template on top, and trace. I've recruited extra help. Okay, I've got 18 total rafters cut, sealed, stained, and ready for action. 18, that means, and my roof is 20 feet from end to end. So that means there's 9 rafters on each side, and that means they need to be spaced 2.5 feet apart. Got our official fireman down there tending the flame. Man, these are fitting good. We nailed it, dude. Remember, Elijah, the world is full of lazy, wimpy idiots. What's your job? What's your only job in this world? Elijah? To not be one of them. That's right. It's easy to play and have fun and ignore the important things that need to be done. It is difficult to be the one that misses out on the fun stuff sometimes because there's hard work that needs to be done. I got a minor problem happening here. It looks kind of like this. So instead of meeting at the top of my ridge there, it's coming up short, and I cannot for the life of me figure out why. I'm gonna try to force it into submission. Hey, look at that. Just a little brute strength. And I got it to pull. I think maybe this, the beam behind me might be warped a little bit, might be bowed out or something. Maybe that's causing it to do that. Okay, all that's left to do now is pretty much put purlins on. Purlins are the things that will, small 1x strips that I'm going to be used to attaching the roofing metal to, and then put the metal on there, and that's it. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one. There's gonna be one more part where I put the purlins and the roofing, the metal on there, the roofing metal, and then that's it. It's gonna be ready to move in pretty much. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we will see you on the next one.